Hi guys, Helga from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking here, and tonight we're going to do a real easy quick supper. In fact, I'm probably going to maybe try and do more of these. These are just meals that I make during the week, weeknights, that are pretty quick and easy and simple, but whole foods from scratch, so not pre-made. So I think I'm going to maybe start a series called Weeknight Wonders. My Parmesan baked chicken with potato wedges was one of those, and tonight I'm making salmon cakes. Michael's not a real fan of fresh salmon and stuff, but he loves salmon cakes, and so I'm going to make them tonight with some fried taters and onions, serve it with some of my spicy PA Dutch chili sauce and some lima beans. So I'm just going to show you how I mix it up. It's not real fancy, it's quick. If you have your potatoes, like boiled potatoes that were left over from another day, this is something you can have ready in 10 minutes. So it's really a quick, easy meal, and great when you're time crunched during the week. It's only a few ingredients. Some people like to spice it up more. Some people keep it plain. Mike's mom keeps it real plain, but you know, you make it to suit yourself. I'm just going to show you how we make it, and hope you like it. Now, I use a good quality canned salmon. I mean, most of us can't get fresh salmon real easy, and Michael doesn't care for it as much anyway. This is actually, I don't know if you can see it here, this is actually Costco's own brand, Kirkland, the Wild Alaskan Pink Salmon in water. This is actually really good quality. I've never found any bones or anything else. It's really nice quality salmon, canned salmon. I'm also going to show you a way that this can be gluten-free, and you can do that with crab cakes and stuff too. Instead of using your seasoned breadcrumbs like this, you can use the ground flaxseed meal. And you guys already know that I add this like to meatballs and meatloaf and all kinds of other stuff. But you can make this a totally gluten-free option just by using the flax meal and no breadcrumbs at all. So for those that have a problem with that, that's something to help you out. I add some fresh lemon. I like, get the seed out here. I like the freshness that some fresh lemon gives to this. So I added some fresh lemon. I like adding a little, this gives a little zip, a little hot sauce. A little Parmesan, some Old Bay, and I'll put down in the description like approximates, because you know, you see how I measure. Mix that around a little bit. Then I take one egg, one of my beautiful hen fruits. Add that in. That'll act as your binder. And it's up to you. If you want to go gluten-free, just add the flaxseed meal. I'll just reach in and throw a nice amount on. I still like the taste of a little bit of the Italian breadcrumbs. So I'm going to throw a little of that in there. Like that. I bet you it's only probably like a quarter to a third of a cup maybe. That makes about the right consistency here. Make sure it's all mixed in well. And then all we do is take them over and we'll go and fry them up. These into patties here. Get them going. And for people that were wondering, you know, a year ago I got that Copper Chef. Well, I'm telling you, I love that pan. So I'm going to say that it's worth the hype. This is a year later, And I use it all the time, and I've used it for all kinds of applications. And right now I've got the fried potatoes and onions going in it. But I've used it for frying chicken. Actually, it's my favorite chicken frying pan. And got a special collaboration challenge coming up here in 2 weeks. You guys aren't going to want to miss it because it's got some funky ingredients that I only picked one of. Sort of like a chopped version. And I'm going to show you how to make some really wonderful fried chicken. But, and I keep telling you about the copper chef pan. It just, you can see it. I love this thing. I love this thing. This is a great pan. And like I said, I got it cheap on sale, so that made it even better. I'm only going to fry these. These don't take long. They only take a couple minutes, 3 minutes, maybe each side. I'll do it about 3 minutes, and then I'm going to flip them over. You can see I've got my lima beans are almost ready. And I'll flip them over and get them done, and we'll dish her up. Okay, I flipped them over so you can see the nice color on them. I'll cook them another couple minutes, and then we'll dish her up. Okay guys, she's done. So this is what she looks like. See if you can see it. You can see the salmon cake and the lima beans and my fried taters. And this is my homemade chili sauce. Now, I like this on the salmon cake. Michael likes it on the potatoes. But I'm the one eating it, so it's going on my salmon cake. So, get here. That's yummy. Like I said, this is a really easy dinner. It's quick, not expensive, and the salmon cake, you can see what it looks like here inside. So you see it doesn't have the filler and stuff because you didn't add so much stuff. And that flaxseed, it works just as well as breadcrumbs. It's a really great gluten-free option for people that need to watch, and it's a great healthy option for anyone. I really like incorporating flaxseed into a lot of things. It's just a great way to get something healthy with no pain. Most people, if I don't tell them it's in there, they have no clue they're even eating it. So if you have one of those picky eaters that you're trying to help get healthy or help gluten-free, try the brown flaxseed meal. I'm lucky I get it here from a Mennonite store, but I know you can get it elsewhere as well. So that's my salmon cakes with fried potatoes and onions and lima beans, an easy weeknight meal. Took 10 minutes. If you're interested in doing some more of these and maybe having like one a week that's an easy weeknight meal idea, let me know down in the comments below, because I've been tossing it around whether I want to do this or not. And those that follow me on Instagram know that I usually post my dinner pictures of the meals that I make on regular nights when I'm home able to cook. So, you know, let me know what you think. If you liked this vid and you liked what you saw, please like and subscribe, and join me next time here in Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking.